Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Peter and I'm the one to show you how to turn your blog website from one language blog to a multilingual website. We're going to create something professional. We are going to use Convey This plugin. This is the plugin that we are going to use. It's called Convey This or Translate WordPress. Convey This language translator from the Convey This translate team. It's a good one. It's a good plugin. It's from the developers of Translate This software. For now, what are these reasons that make me choose this plugin? Yeah, you can see the integration. Yeah, it's allow you to integrate with many of the platform like WordPress, WooCommerce, Shopify, BigCommerce, and even support page builder like Divi and Elementor. Yeah, they offer you a maximum of 92 languages across the globe. You can see they offer you many varieties of the languages. What are these other features that make me love the plugin? Yeah, they offer you they offer you website translation. That's the first thing. The other thing, they have AI translation. What is AI? Is the artificial intelligence translation, which use neural network machine translation. How does the artificial intelligence translation help you? It make the plugin incredible fast, secure, high accuracy in their translation services. Let's give a try. Let's use let's convert it to Russia. What took less than 2 seconds. Let's translate to another language. You see, it's taking even less than a second to translate your website. It's incredibly fast. Yeah. How about now their pricing? Let's check their pricing. Yeah, you can see they have a free plan which you don't have even to use any credit card, and they offer you more than maximum of 2,500 word free and forever. Yeah, free and forever for small size. Yeah, they give you one translated language, and you can see they have a free plan. You can start with this, and if you need to upgrade, consider checking the link in my video for a discount in it, or you can select this available plan. You can see even they have their custom quote. You can contact them. They offer you a custom quote. So with that, let's install the plugin. Let's go to this is my home page. I don't have the plugin. Let's go to dashboard. Let's go to plugin and add new. And before I forget, the Convey This team are the one who sponsors this video. I really appreciate that. I'm glad they gave me the chance to. So let's search for Convey This. Convey This plugin. You can see it's called Translate Website by Convey This language translator. The team that behind it is Convey This translate team. You can see them. They have more than 1,000 active installation as we are talking. Last update took place 3 days ago and compatible with my WordPress. Let me install this. This is a plugin we need to install. After installation, we are going to activate it. After we activate it, we are going to have this option from here, or you can choose from the plugin page. Click setting. Yeah, from here, now we need to insert the API key. Click on this, Convey This, or enter to the login dashboard. I have already created account. If you don't have account, consider inserting everything, filling in this form, and after this, select free plan. Let me log in. I have already logged into my account. You can see I tried to use to translate a page. With that, let me copy my API key. This is where after you log in, enter to a dashboard and you find your API key. Copy and get back to the plugin activation page. Paste your API key and save the changes. And with that, you have connected your website in your website. Yeah. From here, you will be able to see even the statistic. Yeah. Let's now set everything. What the source kernel language in your website. Select your kernel language. Mine is in English. You can see this is where you have the visual editor now. Yeah. Select what language you want to translate to. When I check most of my traffic, I see it come from France. So I will select the French language. With that, I save it. With just that, we have already added. Let me reload and see we have already added it into our page. Let me load my page and see. Yeah, you can see we already have it. You can select whichever the language you want. Let's continue with more setting to make it look much more beautiful and much more professional. Let's hide the convey, this logo, this one. You're going to hide this one. Select hide logo. Yes. Translate media adopt. Say no. Translate PDF. Select no. SEOH left rank tags. Yeah, make sure you tick this because it will help you to index a page even when it's translated. Let's now move to customize language. Language select box. Say yes. This box is good to show. Picture. Select the picture display style for your flag. I want circle. You can select circle. You can select square or rectangle. I want circle. How about text? I want the display of the text to be short text like that. You see which location do you want the other language? I want the other one to remain the way they are. Let's go now to flag. Change. Select the flag. English. I want to select United States. I'm using United States English. You can see the other one is Franciac. Yeah, from France. I select France. With that two languages, those are the one available with my free plan. Let me activate it. Let me reload the page and see what we have created so far. After I load, you can see we have already created something professional. Let's add. I want it to be added to my menu. Let me show you how. This is a bonus tip. You just have to come. You'll have to come to appearance and menu. Select convey this and select both languages. All your languages available. Add to menu and drag them. I want them to be in the middle here where someone can trace it very easily. I want this to be submenu for English. I save the menu. Let me reload my page and show you. Yeah, you can see we have already added it. I have not set the background, but you can see it is available. Yeah. Let me try to translate one on my page. Let me go to blog. Let me show you something before you continue. Yeah, you can see my already translated word is 698. Let me translate one of my blog posts. Let me translate. I come here. I select French. Let's say it took less than 2 seconds. It has already been done. You can see I have already translated to another language. Let me use this one and bring it back to English. It works. Yeah. So with that simple instruction, we have already converted our blog to a multilingual blog website. Yeah. So let's get back to homepage. So yeah, with just that, we have made our blog post multilingual. I highly appreciate. Thank you for visiting my channel. Consider subscribing if you feel I have done something good or you got something for my channel. Remember to turn on my notification for you to get notified whenever I just post a video. Thank you.